Today, we're talking about 5 things you should never do in a manual transmission car. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, these tips will help keep your car in great shape and save you money. Let's get started. Alright, first on the list, riding the clutch. This is when your foot is constantly resting on the clutch pedal, even when you're not shifting. Sounds innocent, right? Well, it's actually one of the worst things you can do. When you ride the clutch, you're causing unnecessary wear and tear on the clutch itself, and that's going to cost you big time when it's time to replace it. The rule is simple. Only press the clutch when you need to shift. Otherwise, keep your foot off of it. Next up, shifting without fully pressing the clutch. I know it's tempting to quickly throw it in gear without giving the clutch all the way down, but trust me, don't do it. When you don't press the clutch all the way down, you're grinding those gears, and grinding means damage. You could end up messing up your transmission, which is something you really want to avoid. Always make sure the clutch is fully pressed before you shift. This is the key to smooth, safe driving. Here's another one. Resting your foot on the clutch while driving. Some of you might do this without even thinking about it. But even just a little bit of pressure can cause your clutch to disengage slightly, leading to unnecessary wear. It might not seem like a big deal, but trust me, over time this adds up. The solution is simple. If you're not shifting, your foot should be completely off the clutch pedal. Now let's talk about over-revving the engine. This happens when you push the gas pedal too hard, especially when downshifting. If you're in a lower gear and the engine is revving too high, it puts unnecessary strain on your engine and transmission. Over time, this can cause significant engine damage. A good rule of thumb is to shift at the right RPMs and keep your revs in check. Your car will thank you for it. Alright, last but not least, not fully engaging the gear. This is one you want to pay close attention to. If you don't push the gear stick all the way into place, it might feel like you're in gear, but you're actually not. This can cause the car to jerk or even stall, and that's a problem. Always make sure the gear is fully engaged before you let off the clutch. That's it for today's tips. Avoid these mistakes, and your manual car will run smoothly for years to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful advice. Drive safe, and I'll see you next time.